In beautiful Gig Harbor,
I love it. I love what I do.
in this quaint little room, is little Matey's early learning.
It's heartbreaking for the families who can't go to work.
Owner Jessica Somerton has been providing childcare for 13 years.
My worst day in daycare is better than my best day when I worked with adults.
There are wait lists at child care facilities all over the state of Washington. How bad is your list?
So I've got 7 actually signed onto my wait list, and I take at least 1 phone call, email, Facebook message a day. I just got one 20 minutes ago that I can't help the families.
Somerton knows childcare is really expensive. It's one of the reasons this mother of 4 left her job in the dental field.
I looked at a few child cares and thought I can do better than this. And even if I take on 2 kids, I'm still going to be coming out better, financially.
So how expensive is daycare in Washington? The average cost for licensed infant care can be about 20% of an average family's income. Add another kid into the mix, and that cost jumps to 35%.
That's a lot. That's a lot.
Meet mother of 2, Ashley Drager.
Say 1, 2, 3, go. My husband works full-time in the HVAC industry. I stay home with the 2 kids, the 2-year-old and the 3-month-old, while running my online business.
Was staying home with the kids,
Right before Addison ran off,
Addison, I asked you to sit there. Not okay. Not okay.
I was asking Ashley if staying at home with her kids was what she had planned to do. She says it wasn't.
I loved my job, but when COVID hit, there was a lot of concern keeping her in daycare, and the daycare that she was at raised their rates almost 20%. So
Ashley is actively looking for childcare.
if it was more affordable, it would make everything so much easier.
It can be as expensive as college tuition.
Lisa Brown is the director of the State Department of Commerce. In 2018, the state created the Child Care Collaborative Task Force with the goal of creating affordable and accessible child care for every family in Washington by 2025.
And it's been working on this conundrum of having childcare that is both affordable for parents and high quality and safe, and compensates the providers well.
One piece of legislation meant to address this is the Fair Start for Kids Act,
And I think this is subject to great celebration.
which Governor Inslee signed in May. One of the first things this will do is make more people eligible for financial assistance. Somerton does not believe that will help enough people.
The middle class is kind of the ones that are stuck footing most of the bill.
As parents continue to deal with high costs and low availability, and lawmakers work to find a fix, Somerton will keep doing what she loves.
One of the other things that has to be mentioned about this story is that child care workers here in our state don't make very much money. The average child care worker here in Washington makes about $15 an hour. That's an amount the task force also hopes to change. Live in Seattle, Steve Solis, King 5 News.